With more than 500 online classes, Tooling U-SME provides a broad and deep catalog of manufacturing training topics. Our online classes are developed with the best subject matter experts in the world, with engaging, instructive multimedia components to keep students' attention and reinforce learning. Classes are available in beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels, in English and in Spanish. Plus, our classes can be mapped to individual or state curriculum requirements and are aligned to national credentials. Let's take a look at Basic Measurement 101. Each class begins with a class overview, including an outline, objectives, and vocabulary. A pretest establishes a knowledge baseline. To begin the class, click Start Class.
A fundamental activity of any manufacturing environment is the inspection of part features.
Throughout the class, key terms are defined. Multimedia elements, including videos, interactive scenarios, and simulators, keep students focused. Students may take notes throughout the class. Reinforcement exercises maintain engagement. Throughout the class, questions gauge the student's comprehension of the lesson. A final exam measures comprehension. Results are immediately shown, along with the correct answers. Administrators can view all students' progress and results in the Admin Center. Additional resources include articles related to the topic of the class, providing a robust learning experience. Online classes from Tooling U-SME are easy to use, interactive, and engaging. And any class can be customized for a specific company, brand of machine, or workplace. Plus, our classes can be integrated into any LMS. Get started today.